So we still have the boss options over here, two options: non-transliteration and case sensitive. Analyze, it's a bit bigger, so we start later with it. First of all, non-transliterations. To explain it, if you just go to the part in here on the question mark and you jump to this area, you get enough explanation, but we say it in a short way. Some vowel letters, especially alif, waw, yeah, have different shapes, and sometimes the ha, it has sometimes dots over it, or sometimes without. So if you just look at the alif shapes, you have one without hamza on it. Sometimes underneath is a hamza, sometimes is over the alif, and sometimes the hamza is alone. So all these shapes, they present the alif letter. Same here with waw. We have waw with hamza and without hamza, and we have yeah, also three shapes without hamza and sometimes with dots. So if I have non-transliteration over here, it means it will combine all these letters in one shape. So if I'm searching, for example, I'll search only in Baqarah. So if we're searching for anna or inna, just like this, and yeah, we search for it, we'll find it everywhere. Somebody, for example, he anzalna, or inna, or a'anna, a'anzartahum. So it will find it in a word, it will find it in with different transliterations. But if I just click the case sensitive, I'll get only this shape, but with this transliteration. So I'll get like this, and it will find anna or inna only, not the other words. So and if I put the non-transliteration away, so and search again, I'll find nothing. That's the idea. So but if I put in a hamza underneath like this, I'll find inna, these shapes. There are 60s in Surah Al-Baqarah, and if I put the hamza over, I'll see 59 in Surah Al-Baqarah. So almost same number. So that's the difference between non-transliteration and case sensitive. Case sensitive makes the word only that what you're looking for, but it's not avoiding transliteration if it's on. If you put the transliteration away, it will search for the same letters and the same word. If you put the non-transliterations on, it will search for the same word, but not the same letters, not the same vowels. So this is very important to understand the difference between case sensitive and non-transliterations. Now we come to the last part, which is the analyze. When we are searching in here, we want to see the word anna. For example, I get it here in Surah Al-Baqarah, is with all shapes in all words, about 5,679. Okay, but I want to see these numbers. Where are these? In which surah? In which chapters? In which verses? And how many letters? And so on. So I put the analyze and search again. It will take me to the analyze section over here. It will show me the same entry, but I have the number of the surah over here, I'll see if the basmala has this anna, but it doesn't have. It has alif or Allah or Rahman or Rahim and so on. So I have this word exists in 3,427 verses, and these verses have 52,884 words, and the same, these words or these verses have 221,026 letters. The same here is with the basmala. For example, if I'm looking for lillah here, it will find it in the basmala, and you can see it. It is in the basmala, and if we count the surah number with the basmalas over there, because two surahs, they don't have a basmala, is surah number 1 and surah number 2, surah number 9, sorry. So it's -2, and with the verses without basmala and verses with basmala, and so on. We have for this word we have 27 shapes. You can check them and see how the shapes looks like. Sometimes it's not the word lillah, as you can see, it's al-lahab or lil-huda or dhalala or dhilalihim, so allahu. So it's not exactly how to search for the word Allah. We'll go to another section, another part in the video, and explain it, how to search and find exact results. So for now, and we can see even the space between the words in these verses. The number over here, why it's divisible by 19. This number is divisible by 19. That means it's the number we get it from here. If you look at this, the menu over here, you can change even the number. You can put a 7 if you like, and search again. It will calculate by 7, so it's divisible by 7. So but we have standard in 19 in it, that you can change it whenever you like. Down there you see all the chapters with all the verses. If you see a verse, for example this one, if you put the mouse on it, you see it's the surah number plus the verse number is equal to 63, which is 7 times 9, because we are searching for number 7. Same as here, and the red one is something else. Count of words is 14, which is 7 times 2, and so on. So the red one presents the words, and the green one presents the number of the surah and the first number.